Welcome to ClikBank Pay training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create a done-for-you ClikBank site using ClikBank Pay. Click on Create Site and you will be on Create Site page. Now fill the required details like subdomain name of your choice, description of your site. Once you fill all the details and click on Submit button, and your done-for-you site is ready. You can see many options here. Once you choose Site Settings option, you can edit your created site. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add SEO related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add your Google Pixels or Facebook Pixels script here. If you want to add live chat option on your sites, then you can add live chat script also here. You can collected your site's analytics data directly into your Google Analytics by adding the script here. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirement. You can run ads on your site from here by adding ad script. You can manage footer content and site social media links also from here. You can also add your WhatsApp number here so your website visitor can direct contact you via WhatsApp. You can change slider banner background image. You can add logo and fave icons of your website here. Add your ClikBank affiliate ID to your site. You can enable or disable pop-up on your sites from here. You also add custom domain to your website if you want. You can also share your site to your desired platform. Thanks for watching video.